Hello everyone, welcome to Grain Chat. Today we discuss the importance of grain cleaning before storage. We are Joe Sontag and Hoàng Uyên from Sontag Consult. Joe Sontag has 30 years experience in grain industry and he is the editor of the standard book on dry processing.
Hello and welcome.
Hi Joe. Today I have a question for you. Why do we need to clean the incoming grain so thoroughly? This is an extra cost and effort and does not yield any profits directly.
Typically, impurities in grain coming from the fields or from other logistic chains contain straw and chaff, bag strings, other coarse impurities, insects, sand, and dust. Each of these impurities will disturb the storage process in its own way. So good cleaning reduces the operating cost and also improves the product quality.
What disturbance would that be?
Impurities waste silo space and are thus reducing the usable silo storage capacity you once have invested for so dearly. And especially the lighter impurities, they separate from the good grains when entering the silo, and they lead to an inhomogeneous product flow when the silo gets discharged. This will disturb any onward processes. Straw, chaff, and bag strings will clog the conveyors, ducts, and silo outlets. And the flow cleaning the flow will cost more effort than a proper cleaning upstream.
Yeah. And what about the other impurities you have mentioned?
Insects can cause severe damage, as we all know, to the stored grain and need to be fought on all fronts, including the cleaning section upstream of the silo. Sand is very abrasive and will reduce the lifetime of the storage equipment drastically. And dust will spread everywhere and will cause tremendous cleaning work. And in the worst case, it can cause the very dangerous dust explosions.
Yeah. So how do you achieve this cleaning?
Every type of impurity gets a suitable process. Straw and bag strings do not flow easily and are separated by a rotating drum screen. The good product falls through the screen and the straw stays outside the drum and is thus discharged separately. Other coarse impurities are retained on a flat oscillating screen. The sand passes through a fine screen. These screens are often arranged one on top of the other, as shown in the sketch beside me.
Remain the dust. How do we handle this problem?
The dust will be reduced by aspiration. This means that after the screening, the grain passes through an airstream that lifts out the dust and light impurities. However, it's important to mention that the dust will be reduced only partially, as more dust is created during handling of the grain when the grains rub against each other.
Yeah. And how do you ensure that all these work reliably?
This is a very important point. A regular control of the cleaning efficiency must be part of the operation procedures. We need to detect any maladjustments of the equipment or any wear damage immediately.
Yeah, this seems to be quite a complex process. What kind of equipment is available for all these process steps?
All these processes can be combined in one or two machine units. There are several efficient machines on the market. It's important to choose a machine that is sturdy, durable, and must be very well resistant against wear and tear.
Thank you very much, Joe, for this instructive overview on the importance of quality cleaning.
It's my great pleasure.
Dear audience, please feel free to contact us if you'd like to address another topic of interest or send us your comment about today's chat. Thank you.
Thank you.